Hunter, this is the calendar. So Monday, you had to do step 4. Step 4 said on Wednesday night you should have finished step 4, and on Wednesday you should have been completing steps 5 and 6. So let me show you what that means. On this document, the one called climate change, you should have already done all of this. You should have read your 3 articles, these 3 articles. From those 3 articles, found quotes that support each of these points. So point 1 is, what is climate change and what causes it? What do humans specifically do to hurt the environment? And what can be done by humans to help? You had to find 3 quotes to support each of those points. Then step 3 was synthesize. So here's my example. You had to go up there and look at all 3 of the points. You had to put the points here. Point 1, what is climate change, right? So those same points from above with all the quotes, you had to pick 2 of your best quotes and put them here. So for example, you would have gone right here and you would have looked at all 3 quotes that you found, and you would pick the best 2. Ones with numbers in it are best. So you take those 2 quotes, you would have put 1 here and 1 here, and then you would have analyzed them by telling me how and why they prove your thesis, which is that humans are responsible for climate change. You should have done that for all 3 points. Then, what you should have finished on, we're working on this Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday it was supposed to be done, with your 2 body paragraphs. So you did all 3 points up here. You're going to pick your best 2, the 2 that you did the best on, and just X out the 3rd one. Your best 2. And here's my example, so you can look at what I did. But you're going to do 2 body paragraphs. So a topic sentence, which would be the point, right? Point 1, 2, or 3. A little background. Your first quote. Second quote. The analysis that you copied right from that synthesis document that you did. And a conclusion statement. You do the same thing for the second point, whichever points you picked, your top 2. Then today, you were supposed to do steps 5 and 6. And that is, set up your MLA heading and pagination on the Google assignment titled Research Paper. So this shows you how to do the MLA heading. If you click on that, it'll open up and show it to you. And then you were supposed to go to this. It says CC Research Paper. It's a blank document. When you open that up, you're going to set up your MLA, just like it shows you to. And then you're going to write your introduction. Here's a video of me going over the introduction. So if you click on this, it'll take you to the video of me telling you how to do the introduction. And if you don't want to watch me do it, then you can look at the slideshow right here. That is what you're supposed to do by tomorrow when you come to class. Technically, you're supposed to be done all the way through step 6. Tomorrow, class, you will be doing, well, you should have all of that done. That's it. Because when you come back after spring break, we're going to do the rest. Okay? So when you come back after spring break, we're going to finish it up. So if you aren't that far, which I can see that you're not, that's what I want you to do. By tomorrow, you should have done your research. You should have synthesized. You should have written 2 body paragraphs in that organizer. Leave them in the organizer until we come back. You should, on your research paper, have it in MLA format, and you should have typed up an introduction paragraph. I hope this helps.